As a part of a longevity system is obviously our skin, and today I'm going to speak about dry skin. This video could apply to any other skin problems as well, but because I'm specialized in dry skin and my skincare brand is solving dry skin problems, I want to go specifically in dry reasons why we have dry skin. So our skin aging is in a very small percentage impacted from chronological aging, because chronological aging is just 5, maximum 10% of our aging process. All 90-95% is actually how we live, how we do, how we eat, etc., etc., etc. So and in my eyes, one of the biggest problems why we are starting to have this dry skin problem is malnutrition. It sounds unrealistic in our world. We are 21st century Western world, and we have access to all the foods of whole world, which is fantastic time to be alive. You can get food from Thailand, from Peru, from South Africa, from Norway, everywhere. And same applies to skincare ingredients. It's amazing how you can create most amazing ingredients and products and recipes out of these ingredients. So it's one side of the thing. Another side of this is how we actually care of our body. Do we see our food as source of health, happiness and balance and longevity, or do we see our food as calories? And I think most of us only see calories, but calories is just one side of a picture. It's like a one hand of two. Yes, it's important, but another hand is about what's inside of these qualities. And again, you see in this side, you see carbohydrates, proteins, fat, done. In this side, we see antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, phytoactive ingredients, what they do to our skin, how good quality they have, oils are refined or unrefined, etc., etc., etc. How much vitamins in this food, how much vitamin C we are eating. So, and when you are missing this part, this one is starting to age you. It's not about carbohydrates, it's not about proteins, it's not about fat only, it's not about calories only. It's about how your food is feeding your cells. You can't have longevity, you can't have healthy food body, you can't stop aging process if your body lacks vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and everything else which is in a vibrant, alive foods. Most popular missing vitamins for dry skin is vitamin C, vitamin E, A, B group, omega-3, omega-6 and levels of omega-3 and omega-6, sugar, fast foods, refined foods and water. And most terrible thing is I sometimes see our coaches who are, or personal trainers, who give diets which are so plain, so lack of antioxidants, very lack of vitamin C. It's just about this side and never about this, or in most cases never about this. You can't live with one hand, you can't live without another hand. When you can live only full happy life if you have two hands. So same applies here. You can have healthy body, healthy skin, healthy gut only if you see both hands as system. Let's talk about fast refined foods. In most cases they are seen as sebum disruptors. So our sebum glands which are on our skin, which are working out liquid which is full of lipids, and lipid is food for our skin microbiome as well, not only moisturizer of our skin. So if we are disrupted, we are not working in optimal level, so you can't have normal skin if it is disrupted, which automatically disrupts your skin microbiome. So disrupted skin microbiome means your water loss from your skin is going up, so you are losing water and your skin staying drier and drier. And when you have dry skin, every wrinkle starts to be bigger, deeper. You see them kind of like 10 times as they are. Dry skin is first step and wrinkly skin is second step. So, and this is consequences of refined and fast foods and foods, lack of vitamins and minerals and antioxidants, etc., etc., etc. Plus, sugar and fast refined foods are part of our aging pathways, and we have 15 aging pathways. I mentioned it in previous video, and nearly every of these pathways we can correct with food. So if you are not paying attention what you are eating, you are going through all these 15 aging pathways very quickly. I will have different video on aging pathways itself, but sugar, fast food and refined food is worst food you can eat. Obviously, time after time I am eating them as well. I'm going out and with family and everyone want to sit down somewhere quick, or you have no time and you just need to eat something. Okay, I'm not holy. I'm a real person, I'm living real life, but my basis of my diet is fruits and vegetables in fresh form. Less you cook, more you have water. Water is scientifically proven, it's a correlation between levels of water in our skin with levels of beneficial bacteria on our skin, so, or skin microbiome. So water is crucial for us, and it's not only about skin, it's basics. You lose through different processes in our body every day, you lose part of your liquid, so you need to replenish it. Your bloodstream is water, your urine is water, your sweat is water, your cells is water. Oh, everywhere we are. I think 75% of our body is water, and you are losing this water every day. How can you ignore this fact? It's just, you don't need to be a doctor to understand this. Drink water, drink herbal teas. I mean, herbal teas, not black tea, for example, because it's a similar reaction as to coffee. One cup of green tea a day, because it's full of anti-aging, antioxidants and active ingredients. Fruit juices, freshly squeezed fruit juices. Eating fruits full of water, like watermelon, like oranges, like cucumber. Every juicy fruit it's actually the best water because it's cellular water, so our body recognizes it much better and much quicker as tough water. Also remember, power of your mind. You can bless your water and structure of water will change. It is lady who makes photographs of, she talks to water, or she puts water on different pictures, and when she freezes water, and you can see how water structure changes depending on what you are telling to this water. So you can change structure of water by talking to it. Remember, when you cook food, filter your words and emotions when you cook food. So water is crucial. It is system how water is delivered to our skin through aquaporins. So I can't even tell you how important it is to drink enough water. Please, please, please remember, pay attention and bless your liquids you are drinking. I want to talk about omega-3 and omega-6. Probably you heard a lot about omega-3, importance of omega-3 and how important it is to have a supplement. My opinion is fresh food is the best source of everything. Obviously, quality of food is very important as well, but remember, you can again sit down and bless your food, and energy of your food will change straight away. Because food is also water. When we're returning to omega-3 and omega-6, we have ideal balance between omega-3 and omega-6. It's ideally it's 1-to-1, 2 grams of omega-6 and 2 grams of omega-3 a day. Maximum is 1-to-4. It's ideal for your body to stay in a healthy side. As soon as we are touching fast food, omega-6 is flying up. It could be 1-to-12 and 1-to-whatever. Sky is the limit in this case. So when you eat mostly fresh foods and add a little bit of cooked foods, because I can't live without my cooked foods as well. I want to eat warm food once a day as minimum. But it's important to keep this balance. And not omega-3 separately or omega-6 is magic. It's always in correlation as a whole picture. So omega-3 against omega-6, when we need both, but we need them in balance. If you have no idea how to count it, I'm using app called chronometer.com. It's not paid advertising. I'm just sharing my experience with this app. It's amazing app. You can see a lot on this app, and you can understand where you are when you put in everything you eat, and straight away you have full picture. Never see your diet as a one-day action. Try to record longer term, and you will see it might be a higher or lower through your week, but in average how you eat per 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, normal, like average eating. If you have like something special occasion, obviously your eating pattern changes. But when you have like at least 4 days in a row, you can see in average, can I eat enough for my body to stay young, healthy, supply my skin, to have healthy cells, etc., etc. Sometimes I'm watching nutritionists and they are giving such crazy ideas how you should eat. Everything is as a whole. Try to understand your food. You should see it as a whole, not as a one hand, not as another hand, but as a whole, 2 hands together, where you have enough calories, enough carbohydrates, fat and proteins, and enough vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. It's work like a synergy, like a system again. And you see, everything I'm talking about is like a system. You should have everything in balance to be healthy, to have healthy skin. Yeah, this is about dry skin and malnutrition. Again, in short, vitamin A, C, E, B group, water, omega-3, omega-6, sugar, fast, refined foods, they all make impact on your skin. And obviously 80% of dry skin is food, lifestyle, what you do with your skin, like massages or treatments, and only 20%, or maybe even less in some cases, is about skincare. So you can't hope your skincare will solve your problem, because it's not. You need to see and work on this as a system. So yeah, if you want my help, or if you're looking for specifically for skincare for dry skin, atlantisskincare.com is the website where you should go. I am skincare formulator, so I know what I'm talking about. All formulas are created by myself. And we have skincare from 33 plus, and another level is 43 plus. So don't start using very heavy creams very early, because in one moment you will have kind of like borderline, you have nothing else to use, and your skin will be overloaded. It's not necessary. It's much wiser to start where you are, start with appropriate skincare and appropriate food to avoid any of these problems I'm talking about. and slowly, if your skin changes more rapidly, like it's happening after 45, 50 years age, you adapt it, and you adapt to skincare and you adapt to your food. My advice for you: see everything, longevity, see your skin quality, everything as a system. It's not just one factor, it's a combination of factors which are helping or not helping in your longevity journey. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and have a beautiful glowing skin, and feel amazing in your skin.